see friend request you sent on Roblox. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. You just have to go to your any web browser and then type Roblox. And then you just have to tap the first one that appears here. Okay, this one, tap this one. And then if you don't have an account yet, you have to create. But if you have an account, then it will take you directly to your account here. So you just have to go to friends, okay, to see that there are four options there. Okay, tap this one. Now we have here under friends, we have friends, following, followers, and request. But you can see this option that says pending. So you can see that friend requests you sent on Roblox. Okay, so in short, you can see it here, but there's a way on how to see that option. Okay, you just have to search for that person. For example, I want to add John on my Roblox. So I'm going to tap this add as a friend. So when you tap this add as a friend, you will see this one will be request sent. So if you see this request sent to any of the people here, then that means you have sent a request on that friend and that user on Roblox. And another thing, you can also visit the person's profile and you can see here pending. That means the person doesn't or the user doesn't added you as his or friend yet. And that's how you see friend requests you sent on Roblox. Thank you for watching this, and I hope to see you in our next video tutorials.